When thinking of a robotic large-scale additive manufacturing system, we need to keep in mind that the machine is composed of different components, both in terms of hardware and software. All of these components must be integrated all together through a centralized automation and control infrastructure. So of course, automation and control play a key role to bring the user an experience that it's truly fully integrated. The main hardware components that are needed to build a large-scale additive manufacturing robotic system are of course the robot that it's enabling the motion of the machine, the extruder and the 3D printer that are the hardware that enable the robot to be used as a 3D printer. Of course, there is a software that is the main user interface to which the user programming the system in an easy and assisted way, and the automation architecture that it's taking care automating the whole thing. There are many technological approaches to integrate an industrial robot. The approach we decided to adopt in Caracol is based on an open architecture logic. The reason why we decided to adopt an open architecture development is because we want to be independent in the way we adjust our technological roadmap and in the way we can implement feedbacks from the market to be able to quickly implement new features and adjust our own roadmap according also to strategic positions. This development, it's a truly fully integrated system that brings to the users big value because they have just one provider as a reference point of contact that is collecting all their needs at different levels, from system integration, system development, to materials, to software requests. We catalyze all of these requests being owner and developer of our own technology as a whole. So being owner of our own technology at the whole level and part of the technology also allow us to technology transfer all our know-how to our partners in a very straightforward way. Furthermore, being owner of the different parts of the technology allow us to transfer this infrastructure to new processes. And this is exactly the approach we adopted when we started the integration and the development of our metal systems. Deciding to adopt fully integrated system bring a lot of value to users. Main one probably is in terms of responsiveness and efficiency in terms of service. As well allow us to bring close relationship with customers and co-design and develop custom feature implementation and custom technological implementation. In terms of customer service and customer support, we can be very reactive, reducing downtime. We can be very efficient for maintenance and can build a training solution to technology transfer our know-how at different levels, from design for additive manufacturing to materials to part planning and software strategy.